Let's derive the equation of line in slope-intercept form. To find the equation of line having slope m and which makes intercept c on y-axis. That means, let's suppose this line L having slope m, slope is m, having y-intercept as c. That means this line is passing through point 0, c. This we have seen, y-intercept is a point where the line is cutting y-axis. So y-intercept is given as c. That means the line is passing through 0, c. Now we need to find the equation, general equation of this line. We are going to use the equation of line in slope point form. What was the equation? Y minus y1 equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Okay. Here the slope of line is known, that is m, and the point from which the line is passing is also known, that is 0, c. Just put the respective value. This will be your x1, y1 from which the line is passing. Just put the respective values. So the equation will become y minus y1 is your point c, m is the slope, x minus x1 is 0. Now what you will get? Y minus c equals to x minus 0 will be x, x into m, m into x. Now shift the c to the right hand side. What you will get? Y equals to mx plus c. So this is our equation of line when slope of the line and y-intercept of the line is. Here you should remember c is representing only y-intercept. If in any question x-intercept is given, you are not going to use this formula. Only when y-intercept is given, then only you have to use this. Right? To understand how to apply this formula, just take an example. Here, what the example states: obtain the equation of line having slope 3 and which makes intercept 4 on y-axis. That means c is given and the slope is given. When we know the y-intercept and the slope, we are going to use the equation of line in slope-intercept form. Just put the respective values. Y equals to, what is the value of m? 3. What is the value of c? 4. Take y to the right hand side. I will get 0 equals to 3x minus y plus 4. Rearrange the terms. What I will get? 3x minus y plus 4 equals to 0. This just I have switched left hand side to the right hand side. So this is our equation of line which is having y-intercept as 4 and slope as 3. Okay. Next. Now we are going to derive the equation of line in 2-point form. Let's suppose this line L is passing through 2 points. Point A, x1, y1, point B, x2, y2. Okay. Let's suppose take an arbitrary constant x, arbitrary point on the line x, y. That is point P. Here from the figure we can tell slope of line L will be equal to slope of AP or slope of AB. That means slope of AP is equal to slope of AB. Here slope of AP is giving the slope of line. Here also slope of AB is giving the slope of line, and the slope of line L are same, that is m. I want to name it. Now just find the slope of line by using 2-point form that we have seen. What was the formula? What was the formula for slope? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That means just take the difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinates. Now slope of AP y2 minus y1, that means y minus y1 upon difference of x, x minus x. Slope of AB, now here the slope of AB, difference of y, y2 minus y1 upon difference of x, x2 minus x1. So this is our formula of a line which is passing through 2 points. That means if the 2 points of a line are known, we are going to use this. To understand how to use this formula, let's take an example. Obtain the equation of line passing through point A and point B. As obvious, if we know the 2 points on a line, we are going to use equation of the line or a formula for equation of line in 2-point form. What was the formula? Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Let's suppose point A is your x1 y1, that is first point, and point B is your x2 y2, that is second point. Okay. Now put the respective values. You will get y minus, what is the value of y1? 1. What is the value of y1 is 1. X minus, what is the value of x1? 2. Equals to, what is the value of y2? 2. Minus, what is the value of y1? 1. Upon, what is the value of x2? 1. Minus, what is the value of x1? 2. Just solve it. Y minus 1 upon x minus 2 equals to 2 minus 1, 1 upon 1 minus 2, minus 1. That means on the right hand side I will get minus 1. Y minus 1 upon x minus 2. Just take this denominator to right hand side. What I will get? I will solve here. What I will get? Y minus 1 equals to minus 1 into x minus 2. So I will get y minus 1 equals to, multiply by minus 1, minus 1 into x, minus 1 into minus 2, plus 2. Take all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side. What I will get? X plus y. This minus 1, minus 2 equals to 0. So this minus 1, minus 2 will become my minus 3. Right? So I erase it and directly write minus 3. Minus 3. So this is my equation of the line which is passing through point 2, 1 and point 1, 2. So this is how we are going to use these formulas of line that we are deriving each time by in any example. Okay. Next.